Hidden beneath the green canopy lies a world of silent killers. Predators that stalk, wait, and strike with precision beyond imagination. Every move, every breath, calculated to survive. The vine snake uses camouflage so perfect, it becomes part of the leaves.
In this jungle, silence is the deadliest weapon.
Then, in a heartbeat, strike. Predators hunt not only with claws, but with patience. Hours of stillness for a moment of victory. The ambush begins.
But not all predators use strength.
Nature's design, perfect balance between hunter and hunted.